Oh yeah, the SPT Dishwasher. I'm doing a voiceover because this was an early video and there's not enough information. Anyways, this thing is heavy. Pick it up out of the box using your legs, unless you want to herniate a disc. It's about $230 on Amazon, and really it's perfect for if you have a small kitchen and don't have any space to install a full-size dishwasher. All the stuff that you need is inside the dishwasher if you're looking for it. The instruction manual, the connecting hoses, everything is in there. So inside one of the connecting hoses, you'll find the aerator that I'm holding here. That is what you will need to attach to your faucet. So just unscrew your existing aerator and screw on SPT's aerator. This is what you will be connecting the hose to every time you need to use the dishwasher. Next thing you're going to need to do is connect the hose to the back of the dishwasher. And if your IQ is at least 300 like mine, then you never read the manual. Luckily for you, there's no way to screw this up. Each hose has a unique place it goes to. It won't fit on one of the fittings. Then you'll take the part where the two hoses meet and you attach that to your faucet with that aerator piece. It's probably a good idea to run the dishwasher without any dishes in it first, just because it'll probably be covered by strange industrial crap all over it, built in a factory. You don't want that going all over your dishes. Oh yeah, in my case, you see the hammer there because I had to bang the sheet metal down at the bottom of the rack because the spindle kept hitting the rack during my first run. So anyways, you can either use tablets, they include a little basket you attach to the top, or you can use regular powder or gel and put it into one of those containers. Then you press start, well, turn the hot water on, press start, and select any one of those modes, large, small. It'll have a bit of dwell time, then it'll start pumping any excess water out of it through your faucet, then get started. It's actually a really quiet machine, so that's nice. It started using water, it's sloshing around. So here I thought the machine was done with a cycle, so you turn off the water, it has a little red button to depressurize the machine, and then I opened it, and I was stuck wondering, like, I wonder why there's still water in here. I thought the cycle completed. That's because I didn't put any rinse aid and the machine stopped its cycle prematurely. You know the machine is done when it beeps 5 minutes after a full cycle. So here I'm just topping it off with some rinse aid. Although I don't like the feeling it gives to your dishes, so I usually just put filtered water in here, and I've been doing it for a year and a half, no problems. All in all, I think this is a great dishwasher. I've had it for a year and a half with no problems. It really gets the dishes clean, and for the money and the small amount of space it takes up, I don't think it can be beat. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.